In this video, we're going to go over our air-powered floor nailer. This nailer is designed for use with 1-inch and 1 1/4 inch 20-gauge L-cleat power nails. This unit has the capability of nailing 5/16 inch to 9/16 inch flooring and can be adjusted to fit different flooring profiles through the adjustable foot assembly. Your air source must deliver 70 to 120 psi at 3.5 cubic feet of air per minute and no more than 120. Use gloves, hearing, and eye protection with this tool. Always disconnect from air supply when the nailer is not being used, including when cleaning jams or adjusting the tool. Make sure the nailer is empty before connecting the air hose. First, depress the lock to release the movable channel guide. Slide the channel guide out and place a full stick of 1-inch or 1 1/4 inch 20-gauge power cleats into the fixed channel. Make sure the stick of nails lay with L shape facing inward towards the center of the channel. Slide the movable channel guide forward until it is locked. Then connect to the air supply. Position the nailer on the floor. Adjust the nailer by flipping the adapter foot to one side. Using a sample of the flooring, slide the adjustable foot back on the channel and set the nose of the nailer on top of the flooring tongue. While keeping the nose flush with the flooring tongue, slide the adjustable foot forward until it lies flat on the flooring surface. Flip the adjustment level and tighten till the foot is locked in place. Pull up and hold the black safety trigger to activate the orange firing trigger. The nailer will drive and set the nail at the correct angle. If your compressor doesn't have an inline lubricator, disconnect the air line and put 2 to 4 drops of the pneumatic light air tool oil into the male connector. After lubricating, dry fire the nailer to purge excess oil. To clear a jam, first disconnect the air supply. Loosen the 4 screws with an Allen wrench and slide the gate plate down until it's free from the noise. Lift the gate plate off and clear any debris from the drive blade and its path. Reinstall the gate plate with the 4 screws and slide it upwards as far as it can go. Disconnect the nailer from the air supply. Once the air supply is disconnected, remove unused nails by unlocking the movable channel guide and then turn the nailer over to slide the nails out. At Sunbelt Rentals, we rent the tools and equipment customers need to accomplish anything they want to do. I hope this basic operational guide to our air-powered floor nailer has given you all the information you'll need. For further information, please contact us at 1-844-SBR-TOOL. Thanks for watching.